So in these problems, we're going to take some random points on the unit circle and try to find some trig ratios from them. So for example, find the 6 trig values for A. And angle theta in standard position whose terminal side intersects the unit circle at 8/17, 15/17. Okay, so the important thing to realize here, right, is if we think about this point, they're both positive, so it's someplace, say, around here, 8/17, 15/17. But the real key about this problem is it says it intersects the unit circle. So remember, the unit circle is a circle with radius 1, and remember, on the unit circle, right, the sine of theta is just the y value. The cosine of theta is just the x value. And the tangent of theta is y over x. So we can use that here to figure out these values. So the sine of theta would be the y, which is 15/17. The cosine of theta would be the x, so 8/17. The tangent of theta would be y over x, so 15/17 over 8/17. And so if I do keep, change, flip, 15/17 times 17/8, which would end up the 17s would cancel, and we get 15/8. And then to get the other values, we're just going to flip them over. So the cosecant of theta is going to be 17/15. The secant of theta is going to be 17/8. And the cotangent of theta is going to be 8/15. So we'll do one more problem like this. They're all kind of similar because we have the point. But B here, we'll say theta is an angle whose terminal side intersects the unit circle at square root of 11/6, minus 5/6. So we're talking about someplace down here, right? And again, we have that unit circle, right, of radius 1. So again, the sine of theta is just the y value, so minus 5/6. The cosine of theta is just the x value, so square root of 11/6. The tangent of theta is y over x, so minus 5/6 over square root of 11/6. So that's become minus 5/6 times 6 over the square root of 11. The 6's are going to cancel, so minus 5 over square root of 11. And then the ones that pair with this, the cosecant of theta pairs with the sine, so it's going to be minus 6/5. The secant of theta pairs with the cosine, so 6 over square root of 11. And the cotangent of theta pairs with the tangent, so minus square root of 11/5.